This is a 2012 Yamaha 8-horse long shaft 4-stroke. On this engine, the customer was having running issues with it where it would only run at higher RPMs or if he had the choke out. I told him it was a carb issue and he agreed. So I went through the carb and, sorry, it's cold out here. I went through the carb and one of the main jets was clogged up and there's some crap inside there and stuff too. So cleaned the crap out of the carb, hit it with my compressed air afterwards and removed the jets, cleaned them all out, all that fun stuff. And yeah, I checked the fuel in his tank and it smells good, it looks good, that's all good. I changed the spark plugs on it, the engine oil looks good, the gear oil looks good, so just needed the plugs and the carb gone through. That's what the issue was. I tuned the carb, adjusted the idle, and that's where we're at right now. Purring like a kitten. There's your reverse. Neutral. Push forward. Back to neutral. He had a zip tie on here and wasn't able to kill it with this. Also, this is my like universal kill switch key set or whatever, and I'm using mine on there right now, and I told him where to buy one at and stuff. There's off. Back on. But yeah, everything's working perfectly fine like it should now.